The Comrex Device Manager application is a multifunction tool that not only allows you to configure your Access and BrickLink codecs, but it will also allow you to apply future firmware updates, apply licensing features, and also share configurations between devices. To start, let's give you an example of how to update your BrickLink codec using the Comrex Device Manager software. First, we're going to want to download the firmware from the Comrex website at comrex.com/updates. We'll scroll down to the BrickLink section, right mouse button click on the file we want, save link as, and in this case we're going to want to copy it to a place where it's going to be easy to find. We've already copied it to our desktop, so it was easy for us to locate. It's a zip file, so you're going to want to double click on it. Now that we found the file, let's go ahead and extract all of them onto the desktop. Now we open up the Comrex Device Manager. We're going to scan for devices and find our BrickLink codec. And if we look under the firmware section, it's going to show that the current version of firmware on this device is 2.7p3. We're going to upload the firmware, and first we're going to find it on our desktop. So we'll go to Desktop. Here's our BrickLink file folder, and we're going to locate the update file. By selecting Open, it will automatically start to update the BrickLink codec, and you can follow along with the progress bar at the bottom. As soon as the unit has been updated, it'll tell you that the update was successful, and it'll reboot the unit. So it's successfully installed. It's rebooted the unit. And then it'll show us the new version of firmware. So we've successfully updated the firmware. The Comrex Device Manager also allows you to apply licensing features to access codecs like the AAC codec option and also the Brick Traversal Server licensing. If you've purchased a license from Comrex, we'll send you a 150-character code in an email which you can cut and paste into the Comrex Device Manager application. First, you're going to want to make sure that your access codec is plugged to the same physical network as the PC that your Comrex Device Manager application is running on. Double-click the icon, scan for devices, and you'll find your Access portable codec. To apply the licensing feature, simply click on Apply License, cut and paste the code into the Apply License box and hit Apply, and you're done. One other very useful feature of the Comrex Device Manager application is the ability to copy configuration files between Comrex Access codecs. For example, if you have multiple Access portables and you want them all to have the same configuration file, you can copy from one and then take that file and apply it to the others. Let's show you how to do that. Double-click on your Comrex Device Manager icon and scan for devices. Once you've found your device, go to File and Save Device Configuration. You can save that file on the desktop, for example, and once you've done that, you can select another Access codec or plug it into the network, select that device, and then load the configuration file. We'll find that on our desktop, and in this case it's right here. Select the file, click Open, and it'll apply it to the other codec.